Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change iPhone name in this tutorial. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings application. Scroll down, click on general, click on about, click on name. Then here you should see the name of your iPhone. Your iPhone is iPhone 12, iPhone 15. What I'm gonna say is your iPhone name. So here I have iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it doesn't count the iPhone you have. Once you have the name here, then you can change it. To change it, just click on this delete button. Then type in your new name. After that, click on the check mark. Then you should see the iPhone name changed. Henceforth, this is going to be your iPhone name and your iPhone Bluetooth name. So that's exactly how to change iPhone name or change your name on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.